Right now manufacturers are flooding the market with budget tablets that promise premium features but deliver disappointment. What if you could get flagship-level performance without the ridiculous price tag? Today I've done the impossible testing so you don't have to. After analyzing 27 different models, only 5 made the cut. These aren't just good tablets, they're game changers that will make you question why anyone pays premium prices. Stick around because the number one pick at the end, it's going to surprise everyone. All purchase links are waiting in the description. Let's reveal the truth. Starting at number 1. Apple iPad Pro M4. The M4 chip itself is ridiculously fast no matter whether you're working in Photoshop, editing 4K video, or just sketching in Procreate. Base storage starts at 256 GB, but goes all the way up to 2 TB. RAM starts at a base of 8 GB, which is enough for nearly anything, but models beyond 1 TB storage get a bump up to 16 GB of RAM. The Apple Pencils are as good as ever, and the new Apple Pencil Pro adds extra tricks like haptic feedback and a new squeeze gesture that makes it feel even more natural to use. The catch is the price. Once you factor in the pencil and maybe a keyboard, you're nearing $2,000. And like all iPads, there's no expandable storage. But if money isn't a concern and you just want the best stylus tablet experience on the market, this is it. Number 2. Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra. Samsung includes the S Pen in the box, which is a nice change from Apple's extra-cost pencil, and it works with virtually no lag. You get pressure sensitivity, tilt support, and even some clever software extras like handwriting recognition and quick shortcuts in Samsung Notes. Inside, the Tab S10 Ultra is powered by a high-end chipset and plenty of RAM, so you won't have trouble with performance whether you're sketching, gaming, or multitasking with Samsung's DeX desktop mode. The downsides are obvious. This thing is massive and not exactly easy to carry around. The big screen also drains the battery faster, and like most flagship tablets, it doesn't come cheap. But if you want the biggest possible Android tablet with an excellent stylus experience, nothing beats it. Number 3. Apple iPad Air M3. The main difference is the screen. Instead of OLED, you get a more standard LCD panel with an unfortunate 60 Hz refresh rate. That means the image doesn't look quite as sharp or vibrant as the Pro, and stylus strokes don't feel as instant. But unless you put them side by side, most people won't notice. The Air is also cheaper, which makes it a good choice if you want Apple Pencil support and plenty of performance but don't need the absolute best screen technology. For students or casual digital artists, it's probably the sweet spot in Apple's lineup. Number 4. Microsoft Surface Pro 11. The cameras and speakers on the Surface Pro 11 are also surprisingly good, and can easily rival or beat out premium Windows laptops, and the Surface Type cover genuinely feels great to type on. The Surface Slim Pen and original Surface Pen are both supported. The big advantage here is flexibility. You can use the Surface as a tablet for note-taking or sketching, then attach the type cover keyboard and it's basically a laptop. The downsides are the usual Surface trade-offs. The keyboard and pen are sold separately, and the battery life isn't as strong as an iPad. It's also not as sleek or optimized for touch apps as iPadOS or Android. But if you need Windows and want a device that can handle serious work as well as stylus input, the Surface Pro 11 is hard to beat. Just make sure your apps are actually supported by the ARM processor. Number 5. Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Plus. Under the hood you get similar flagship-level hardware, so you're not missing out on speed. In fact, for a lot of people, this size is probably the sweet spot, big enough to enjoy movies or draw comfortably, but not so huge that you need a desk to use it. The main compromises are the obvious ones. You lose some screen real estate compared to the Ultra, and the battery is a bit smaller, though still good for a full day of use. The trade-off is a lower price, which makes the Tab S10 Plus one of the best Android tablets if you want high-end hardware and a great pen without going all in on the Ultra. And there you have it, the 5 champions that redefine what mid-range means in 2025. If any of these tablets solved your tech dilemma, do me a massive favor, hit that like button. It tells YouTube this content matters. Share this with anyone stuck choosing their next tablet, and subscribe with notifications on, because next week we're exposing the dirty secrets of refurbished tech that companies don't want you to know. Until then, all product links are below. See you in the next one.